Good morning, Elena. How are you today?
I see. What do you usually do at work?
I'd like a hot coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like? I usually eat rice and soup.
Really? That's very cheap.
Yes, it's on sale today.
Do you know what time the bus arrives?
Do you want me to check your email after you finish?
It's almost lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starting to feel hungry now.
What do you think about this shirt?
It looks very nice.
Good morning, Elena. How are you today?
Good morning, Jonah. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. I feel a little tired, but overall, I'm okay.
Oh, really? Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I went to bed a bit late because I was watching a movie.
That happens to me too sometimes. Was the movie interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting, but I should sleep earlier tonight.
Yes, sleep is very important for your health.
You're right. Anyway, I'm happy to see you this morning.
Me too. Talking in the morning makes me feel positive.
Same here. Let's have a great day today.
Yes, let's do our best today. So, Jonah, what are your plans for today?
Today is a busy day for me. I have to go to work in the morning.
I see. What do you usually do at work?
I work in an office, so I check emails, talk to customers, and do some computer work.
That sounds like a lot of tasks. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Sometimes it's stressful, but I like learning new things.
That's good. What time do you start work today?
I start at 9 a.m., so I need to leave home around 8:30.
That's quite early. Do you eat breakfast before work?
Yes, I always try to eat something simple.
That's a good habit.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome. What would you like today?
I'd like a hot coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
I think a medium size is fine.
Okay, medium hot coffee. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, I'd like a little milk and 1 sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like anything to eat? Maybe a sandwich or a cake?
I'm a bit hungry. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll take 1 slice.
Great choice. Your total is $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Sure, it smells really good in here.
Thank you. We bake fresh cakes every morning.
That's wonderful.
Jonah, what did you eat for breakfast today?
I had bread and eggs, and I also drank coffee.
That sounds like a simple and healthy breakfast.
Yes, I don't like heavy food in the morning.
I understand. I usually eat rice and soup.
That's nice. Do you cook it yourself?
Yes, I cook at home. It's cheaper and healthier.
That's true. I should cook more at home too.
Yes, it's a good habit and saves money.
I will try to do that more often.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a bank. Do you know where it is?
Yes, there is a bank near here.
Oh, great. How can I get there?
Go straight along this street, then turn left at the traffic light.
Okay, go straight and turn left.
Yes. After that, you will see the bank next to a small cafe.
That sounds easy to find.
Yes, it's only about a 3-minute walk.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome.
Good morning. Interjection, greeting phrase. Meaning, a polite greeting used in the morning. Example, good morning, how are you today? What are you going to do? Question, future tense structure. Meaning, asking about someone's plans. Example, what are you going to do after work? Delicious, adjective. Meaning, very tasty food. Example, this breakfast is delicious. How can I get to? Question phrase, meaning asking for directions. Example, how can I get to the train station?
What do we need to buy today?
Let me think. I need milk, fruit, and maybe some bread.
Okay, let's start with fruit. These apples look very fresh.
Yes, they look red and shiny. I think they are sweet.
Do you want green apples or red apples?
I prefer red apples.
Good choice. Do you also want bananas?
Yes, bananas are good for energy.
That's true. They are also cheap.
Great, let's take a bunch.
Now let's go to the milk section.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
Let me check the price tag. It is $3.
Really? That's very cheap.
Yes, it's on sale today.
Why is it so cheap?
I think it's an old design, so they want to sell it quickly.
I see. But it still looks nice.
Yes, it looks good on you.
Then I think I will buy it.
That's a smart choice.
Do you know what time the bus arrives?
Yes, it should arrive at 10:15.
Okay, we still have about 10 minutes.
Yes, we can wait here.
Is the bus usually on time?
Most of the time, but sometimes it is a little late.
I hope it comes on time today.
Me too. I don't like waiting too long. Same here. Hi, Elena. Wow, long time no see.
Hi, Jonah.
How have you been lately?
I've been very busy with work and family.
I understand. Life can be very busy.
How about you? What have you been doing?
I've been working a lot and trying to learn new skills.
That's great. We should spend more time together.
Yes, let's meet again soon and talk more.
Wow, it's really hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very hot and sunny.
I feel tired in this weather.
Me too. I sweat a lot when it's hot.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I prefer cool or rainy weather.
Same here. Cool weather is more comfortable.
Yes, I can relax more when it's cool.
Basket. Noun. Meaning, a container to carry items in a shop. Example, I put the fruit in my basket. How much is this? Meaning, asking the price of something. Example, how much is this shirt? What time does it arrive? Question, present simple. Meaning, asking about arrival time. Example, what time does the bus arrive? Long time no see. Idiomatic expression. Meaning, you haven't seen someone for a long time. Example, wow, long time no see. How are you? Sunny. Adjective. Meaning, bright weather with sun. Example, it is sunny today. Hi, Elena. You look focused. What are you working on right now?
Hi, John. I'm writing an important email to my manager.
Oh, is it about a project?
Yes, I need to give an update about my work this week.
That sounds important. Is it difficult?
A little bit. I want to use the right words and be clear.
That's a good idea. Clear writing is very important.
Yes, I don't want to make mistakes.
Do you want me to check your email after you finish?
Really? That would be very helpful.
Of course. I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Jonah, can you help me for a moment?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this question in my workbook.
Let me see. Okay, I think I understand it.
Really? Can you explain it to me slowly?
Of course. First, you need to read the question carefully.
Okay, I'm reading it now.
Then, you need to choose the correct answer from the options.
Oh, I see. I didn't read it carefully before.
That's okay. It happens to everyone.
Thank you for explaining it step by step.
It's almost lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starting to feel hungry now.
What do you feel like eating today?
I think I want something warm, maybe noodles.
That sounds good. I like noodles too.
Do you want to eat at the restaurant nearby?
Yes, that place is nice and not too expensive.
Great! Do you want something to drink?
Maybe a cold juice. It's hot today.
Good idea! Let's go together.
Okay, let's go now before it gets busy.
Hello! Welcome to our restaurant.
Hi! Thank you.
Please have a seat. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I would like fried rice.
Great choice! Would you like chicken or beef?
I'll take chicken, please.
And what would you like to drink?
Just water for me.
Okay, your order will take about 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax and wait.
The restaurant is nice and clean.
Yes, I like the atmosphere here.
So, Elena, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading books at home.
That sounds very relaxing. What kind of books do you read?
I like simple stories and sometimes learning books.
That's great. Reading helps improve your English too.
Yes, I learn new words when I read.
I like listening to music in my free time.
Really? What kind of music do you enjoy?
I usually listen to pop music. It makes me feel happy.
That's nice. Music is a great way to relax.
Email. Noun. Meaning, a message sent by computer. Example, I need to send an email to my boss. Can you help me? Modal verb question. Meaning, asking someone for help. Example, can you help me with this question? I'm hungry. Adjective phrase. Meaning, you want to eat food. Example, I'm hungry. Let's eat lunch. Are you ready to order? Question, present simple. Meaning, asking if someone wants to choose food. Example, the waiter asked, are you ready to order? Hobby. Noun. Meaning, something you enjoy doing in free time. Example, reading is my favorite hobby.
Do you want to do something fun tonight?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we can watch a movie together.
That sounds like a good idea.
What time should we go?
How about 7 p.m.?
That works for me.
Should we meet at the cinema or go together?
Let's meet at the cinema entrance.
Okay, I'll be there on time.
Great! I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, Elena. What are you doing now?
Hi, Jonah. I'm at home cooking dinner.
Oh, nice. What are you cooking today?
I'm making chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious. Is it easy to cook?
Yes, it's very simple and quick.
I should learn how to cook too.
Yes, cooking at home is cheaper and healthier.
That's true. Maybe you can teach me someday.
Of course, I'd be happy to teach you. Jonah, you don't look well today. Are you okay?
I'm not feeling very good. I have a headache.
Oh no, that's not good. Did you sleep enough?
Not really. I slept late again.
That might be the reason. You need more rest.
Yes, I think so too.
Did you drink enough water today?
No, I didn't drink much water.
You should drink more and take some medicine.
That's a good idea. I will go home early today.
Yes, take care of yourself and get some rest.
Alina, what do you think about this shirt?
It looks very nice. The color is good on you.
Really? I like it, but I'm not sure about the size.
Let's check. It says medium.
I usually wear medium, but sometimes it's small.
Why don't you try it on?
That's a good idea. I'll go to the fitting room.
I'll wait here.
What do you think now?
It fits you very well.
Great. I think I will buy it.
Good choice. I have to go now. It was really nice talking with you today.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation too.
We talked about many things today.
Yes, it was a very good day.
Let's meet again soon and practice more English.
That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Take care and have a safe trip home.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye, Jonah.
Goodbye, Elena. See you next time.
What time should we meet? Modal verb question. Meaning, asking about meeting time. Example, what time should we meet tomorrow? Cook. Verb. Meaning, to prepare food. Example, I cook dinner every evening. Headache. Noun. Meaning, pain in your head. Example, I have a headache today. Can I try this on? Modal verb question. Meaning, asking to wear clothes before buying. Example, can I try this jacket on? Great job! You finished all 20 conversations. Try to listen again and repeat every sentence. Practice speaking every day to improve faster. Comment below, which scene is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.